guys, so today we're out here and we are going to do a little bit of a obstacle course tonight on the obstacle course, the RC course in my backyard. And so we're gonna run both F-150s tonight. Got both rigs. We got the blue and we got the brown, and both of them, they got a bunch of different mods. This one has high clearance links, and it's got metal diff gears and a little winch on it. This one, it doesn't have any high clearance links. It's got some diff covers for rocks, but that's about it. It's got some nice wheels and tires, some grippier wheels than this one over here. So let's see how it goes. All right, we're gonna start with the blue F-150 on our obstacle course. Let's go. Got a little high center on a rock. Makes the first gate with ease. See if we can make the second gate. Let's get a little bit more coverage over here. Oof, close on that second gate right there. Now this third gate, it's at the top of this hill, but we'll call it the summit. Oh, got a tip over. Can we save it? Nope. Oh, we got it. So we're gonna try this way first for the summit. Oof. We struggle. Blue truck's struggling. Maybe just the driver. Definitely the driver. I think we're stuck right there. All right, I'm gonna take the V-notch. All right, mixed it up that. Oh, can we make the gate? We made the gate. All right, for the next step, we got the descend of the mighty hill. It's kind of crazy. We got this little drop off right here, so I gotta be super careful. Oh. All right. We'll make it off the mighty hill. Now we gotta make the Riverwood crossing. Riverwood crossing attempt. Made it through that gate. Oof. Can we save it? Oh, hit the gate. All right. Makes the stupid mistake again, hits the gate for a second time. And a third, and a fourth. Let's see the right angle on this rock. Hits it again. All right, there you go. Finally got her. Now I gotta stay hugging that side. There you go. Ooh. Blue truck struggling through these obstacles. See if we can get straight on this log. There you go. Got traction. All right, let's see if we can make it across the bridge. And down the steep descent. Oof. With a bang. Try that again. See if we can make it through these gates without wrecking. Oh, there you go. Oh, barely missed that gate. Hugging that gate, but we missed it. All right. And that is it for the blue truck. Let's see if we can do better on the brown. All right, now we're starting with the brown F-150. Let's see what she can do. Let's go. Gets through that first gate very nicely. Let's see if we can get some grip on that wood. What's promised. Okay, now we're descending down through this second gate. Let's see if we can get out of that situation. Misses that gate. Now we gotta figure out. Oh, takes a dump. So retrieve that. All right, now let's see what we can do with these rocks right here. Getting stuck. All right. Sorry, some camera difficulties. See if we can get some grip on this rock. Looks like it's not happening there. Guess we're gonna have to take the V-notch. Like it's any easier, but let's try it. This truck's getting stuck on a lot more things, but let's try it. Let's get up. All right, up on that. So now we gotta get through third obstacle. Gets the grip. Oh, touches that gate right at the end. Now for the descend. See if we can stay planted coming down this face. Nicely done. Bust through that rock. All right, for the river rock climb. Let's see what she can do. All right. Hugs that gate, misses it. See if we can get this on the first try. That'll be nice. Not sure if I hit that gate. All right. Come on, get up there. There you go. Nicely done. Nicely done. All right, so now let's do this monkey bridge, this river run bridge. See if we can come down this thing nice and steady. Get to that side more flat. All right. See if we can redeem ourselves right there. Got ourselves kind of in a bind. But I think we're gonna make it. Yep. Oh, got tire stuck. Aw, hits the gate right at the end. But we made it. Two very capable rigs on this nice course. We have this other section back here to the course I'm gonna add on to on the fence, and we got this little rock pile right here. So it's coming along nice and fun. Articulation right there. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys.